In this video, we'll see how to document trait data for accessions. So first, from the main menu, we go to Import Data, and this takes us right to the form we need to get to. Then we select the experiment that we're importing data for. Let's say no experiment, since we don't have any bogus example experiments anymore. Physical location, let's pick some more silly. Imagination land. Let's say the accessions that we're importing data for are plants and experiments. Now we choose the workbook that we're importing, and I've set one up we'll take a look at now so that you can see approximately what the sheet should look like. Okay, so the most important column is accession code, spelled exactly like this with the underscore, and then every other column is trait data or else the entry accession code. So we're going to, in the forms, select this column as the entry accession code, and then the system is going to associate the accession codes for the plants that we're recording data for with the genetic information of the indicated entry. And then it's also going to create a trait called flavor if there isn't one, and record synthetic cheese as this unlabeled accessions value for that trait. And similarly for plot. We can either have the codes of existing accessions in this column, or blanks, or a combination. Anywhere where there's a blank, a new accession will be created, and it'll just be given the pedigree information of the entry. Okay, so we've selected that workbook, so now we just select the sheet. Accession code is our column, and our entry column is that. And now we click import, and we wait. And there was a problem with data types. The way to resolve that is by setting all of these columns to type text. Make sure that it covers every cell, including the very top one. And now I'll pause while I re-import, so you don't have to sit through it again. Okay, that change to the import sheet worked. So now it was all successfully recorded.